Fellow Isaac. I work for Serere District Local Government under Works Department, and specifically I have been working, or I work as manager for this works. The road is called the Ningo Aminit Pachoto, and it is for 13.7 kilometers and planned at 253,152,000.
What has been the condition of this road?
It has been very poor, but as you can see, there is a serious improvement.
We are here to launch this road. This road has been the worst among the worst roads in our district. You cannot cross to some villages. And because of this road, it is now making even the business community, especially the fish traders, they are so happy for this road. They have been able to move within a short time. And now, I want to ask the engineers to do their best. I know this money is not enough. I know the 1 billion has to work on 5 roads in Serere district, which is a bit difficult. And I want to ask our government to top more money, especially on the swamp areas. The wetlands are making it hard for this road to be worked on well. And we are worried that maybe by next year's rainy season, it will be very difficult. But even with that, I want to take the opportunity to thank His Excellency, the President, for this initiative of 1 billion per district. It has saved us. We didn't have money to put our roads well. And we want to ask that please, Your Excellency, add more. The road is the first development in any community. Joining another parish to another parish is the best. Because when somebody is sick, people who have been having patients here lose a lot of people, especially women, who are in delivering, all those who are having challenges at night. You have started having pains, and now between here up to the district, most women have lost their lives, they have lost children. So I want to ask us as government to continue with this spirit of special fund like this 1 billion. And if we can even talk, it will save this district, it will save Uganda. But I want to thank His Excellency the President, I want to thank the Parliament of Uganda, and I want now to take this opportunity to launch this road on behalf of the government of Uganda and on behalf of Serere District. I hereby launch Iningo Kanyangan Pachoto Road.
Thank you so much, Honorable, and all the people who are here. My name is